I hate being late. Tamara Batista says they're early. Welcome back. Hey guys, we're coming. There we go. We're in. We're in, folks. What's going on, man? Boy, dude, I'm very, very rarely late. I'm late today. I'm 3 minutes late, folks. Guys, I was working on stream stuff, fun stuff, good stuff. One of our great viewers who attends the Charlotte Chess Club spoke with the boss man over there, Peter, I believe his name is, about getting us some type of press pass media credential type thing for the Daniel Naroditsky Memorial. Which, by the way, I just watched the video I put up when he passed away, and it brought tears to my eyes again. But I really want to attend that thing, and I'm hoping we can. And when he spoke to the boss man said, I don't know if we're going to have any spots. Ask me again closer to the event. Well, we're 3 weeks out. You know, if we're going to go, we gotta make plans to travel. So I reached out to who I believe is the correct person to talk to, and I had to write an email. And so, boy, I'll tell you, that was rough, dude. Even with AI helping, man, because you don't want AI to write your email, but you don't want to have a bunch of mistakes in it or do something that doesn't make sense, right? And so, you know, AI can help a lot with writing something to help convey the message and that kind of stuff, make things clear, make it shorter, help a little bit. But dude, you got to do it yourself, and it took time, guys. It took like an hour and a half, to make this right, including with some help from Bill Stevens. Thank you, Bill. Yeah, and so that's where we are, man. And so that just went out. I have a friend request from Troll 1 2 3 4 5 6. Guys, we got okay. Breaking news. Breaking freaking news, guys. You're not going to believe it. I know you're not going to believe it. Somebody cheated on chess.com. Last week's tournament was fouled by, well, I shouldn't say someone cheated. Well, I know people cheated on chess.com. Last week's tournament was fouled by fair play violations. Club events. If you follow me on Facebook, you probably saw this already. It was a great post, actually, guys. It was a great post because I posted these first place, second place, third place. I posted these, and if you notice, if you can see, close for fair play, close for fair play. Bozo Chess got close for fair play. Below normal got close for fair play. And it's funny, too, because Bozo Chess, Teresa Harder. Teresa, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. They both got close for fair play, first and second place. We've never had that before. In our very first tournament, this guy named Bassy, he was around the stream a lot. He was around 1,600. But it's hard to believe that or know that. And he won the first tournament by cheating. And he literally beat FIDE Master David Bassett. And that is not exactly why we knew he cheated, but we knew he cheated because he got banned right after that tournament. So Bozo Chess and Below Normal were close for fair play after the tournament. They took first and second. So we now have to announce the actual, true, honest winners of the tournament, first, second, and third. And I'll tell you what's funny too, man. Bozo Chess, dude, I liked Bozo Chess, man. You seem like a nice guy. You know what? He might be a nice guy. But he got close for fair play. So something wasn't fair about his play, right? So First place last week, AFM Kirby, you got first place. Niso Star says he's at 30. Well, I don't know about that. I'll tell you this, what was kind of funny. Bozo Chess was being suspect about below normal. He's all, look at his account, check his account. And it's like, why? Like, why? You know, I checked his account. I also checked Bozo's account, too. We looked at a few accounts that day. But he was such suspect of him. And I think maybe because he might have lost to him before. And when you're using an engine and someone beats you, you go, right? Like Tarkov. You guys know the game Tarkov? There's it's a first person shooter game, Escape from Tarkov. And there's a cheat, a wall hack where you can see people, stick figures through walls. It's a way to cheat in a game, right? Because you're not supposed to be able to see people through walls. And so what the cheaters do is they crouch and stand up and crouch and stand up. And then if you do that and then you see someone through a wall do it, you know they can see you, you know they're cheating, they know you're cheating. You know what I'm saying? Well, imagine if you're using Stockfish and then you get beat by somebody. You're like, he's freaking using Stockfish too. There's no way I could have won. I remember that you reminded me. Yeah. So evening, hey Macca, how you doing? So, Bozo Chess and Below Normal, their accounts are banned for fair play. They're closed. And the first, second, and third from last week's tournament are AFM Kirby, first place, congratulations. Well played, honestly, without cheating. Congratulations. Second place, Eco Voyager. Good job, Eco Voyager. Good job, dude. Well played. Third place, me. Pat on the back. Hey, I didn't cheat either. There we go. And Ratul was right there too. Ratul was close, man. With I beat Ratul on tie breaks, but we had, I think, the same score. So yeah. So that's it. So that's done. That's resolved. And you know what? Hopefully, those guys will learn not to cheat at chess. They will get new accounts. They will come back under different names. And they won't cheat. Right? Yeah, that's what I hope. Play online. Oh, I gotta put my thing here. Challenge Rosewood Kelly 1-0 unrated to play me. There we go. I'm gonna be grumpy and do all caps unrated. There we go. Because sometimes people, I think they don't see that, and so we're just gonna go ahead and do full cap regalia. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, and then we're gonna pin these comments so everybody can see it. Yeah, pinned. There we go, and one for Facebook too. There we go, man. All right, and pin that one too, man. Just pin it, bro. Pin comment. You love to see it. You love to see it, folks. Okay, so now I have to go social. Wait, I got a message. Ah, Troll, I love you, brother. Troll 1 2 3 4 5. He said, "Now we're friends. We protect each other." Yes, Troll. Forgive me. I didn't say it because I thought you weren't here. I didn't realize you were here. Troll said, "Now we're friends. We protect each other." Yes, Troll. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? Yeah. And with this name is Troll, you know, is that going to be like the same guy? Is that the same guy? Are you Stream Sniper? Are you Stream Sniper? The guy that Slow Typer was his name on chess.com and he got banned for fair play too? Oh wait, no, I gotta go to social and I gotta do my make it so, come on, settings. I gotta make it so I can accept challenges, guys, because the theme of the stream is to play you guys. And if you guys want an arena, we'll put up an arena, a 1 minute arena, allow challenges. Whoa, send me a challenge, guys. 1 minute unrated. I will jump in the pool if I have to. Keep the chess moving. But I would rather be playing you guys. So someone just send it. When are you going to do another tournament? Every Wednesday. Tomorrow. Every Wednesday. We do a weekly tournament on Wednesday every week for like the last 60 weeks. Yeah. Yeah, was there anything else that I needed to... we caught up on the guys that got first and second place in the tournament last week. They are no longer with us. Their accounts are no longer with us either way. Oh, also, I wanted to tell you guys something too. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this came up. I don't this is more cheater stuff too, guys. Chess Chillers. I don't think I'm going to be able to see him, but let me go to club events. And I think he played in this. Did he play in the arena? I forgot the guy's name already. Yeah, there's below normal. There's below normal. Acute alien. Okay. Okay. This one. The guy will be in this one for sure. What was his name? I remember his name. I don't see him. I forgot the guy's name already, but there's a guy that people were sus that he was cheating, and he didn't get banned. I don't know how it happened, how it came up, but he admitted. Well, here's what he admitted to. He said, I didn't cheat. My sister's boyfriend is 2300 and he was here and he played the tournament games for me. That's what he said. And I was like, I think this was on a gaming stream too, if I remember right. And I said, dude, that's cheating. I said, you don't get banned for using stockfish. You get banned for outside assistance. And that's outside assistance. That's sharing accounts. That's cheating. Ian Monsa, how you doing? Yeah. So he said, okay, I won't do it again. I said, I have to ban you from the club. He's like, no, why? What's the big deal? I told him, I said, to me, it's not even my decision. There were people that had to play this guy and waste their time playing a cheater, someone that was cheating. And I said, I can't do that to the community. I can't say, oh, I'll give the guy a pass, and then you guys be like, Charlie, are you going to maintain the integrity of the investigation or not? Right? Are you going to maintain the integrity of the tournament? That would be really, really, really not cool to the people, to the people that don't cheat in the tournament. If I gave the guy a pass. So I already forgot his name, but he's banned from the chess club. He's banned from the club. If he makes a new account, I can't control that, right? He comes in with a different name and doesn't cheat. Good. Gets a second point. Yeah, man. Dude, dude, the day is great. We started off doing a whole bunch of good work. Okay, I'm not getting any challenges yet. So I definitely turn them on, right? So we're gonna start playing some 1-minute chess, guys. I'm gonna go to the pool, risk my rating not warmed up. I don't know why I do this, man. Why would I risk my rating not warmed up? Because I don't care. 1686. I'll dump a few games. The next games will be easier. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh my God, go. No. What do you do in these positions? Okay. Dude, I'm moving way too slow. Way too... I'm gonna lose... What? I can't believe I'm not losing yet. I can do this and threaten this. No, I can't. Okay, just let him take that. Now I can come here and play this and then be weak on the light squares. Okay, takes. Oh, I thought I was going to have something. Now he's starting to mate. Oh, man, he got me. Okay. This is why we don't risk... No, I don't care about these rating points. I mean, I've been trying to care more about them. Yeah, so the next tournament is Wednesday, man. Every Wednesday is our weekly tournament. That's why we call it weekly. Bros, how you doing, man? How was the weekend? Who watched the fights last night? Dude. Good, dude. Psh. There was like one mismatch fight that was not very competitive. Every other UFC fight last night was freaking amazing, man. And then, here we go. And then we went and watched some basketball too, guys. We watched San Antonio lose. And it was no fun. Oh. Well, that pawn's in trouble. He could have just come back and maybe won the pawn. Okay. Dude, I'm moving way too slow. My queen's out of play. Threatening mate. You have to move real fast. All right, guys. I dropped a mate in one. My opponent dropped a mate in one. We are 2 mate in ones in 2 games in a row. Good game, dude. That was a good game. Colby good game. That was you, dude. Yeah, good game, dude. Dude, you're rated 324. I gotta be honest with you. I mean, I guess I felt a little bit of your lower rating, but you played pretty good and you played fast. But yeah, you were putting pieces where I could just take them, right? My knight has no squares, bro. Threats. 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 For your rook. Thank you. Okay. Hit that so I can take this. Okay. Just come back, I guess. Can he attack something? I have threats now. I'm bringing the other rook to this file. He was giving his time back too. Yeah, he wants to play this rook, but he can't. Pinning. He resigned. Dude, Magnarod, good game. 13-29, guys. Guys, I'm 300 points higher than him. 350. And he played a good game. Claude says the fix was in on the fights. All knockouts, top Americans. That's not normal for a UFC card. Dude, you know what, Claude? I'll tell you something, man. It makes me wonder sometimes. It makes me wonder sometimes. You don't usually... My man, it's Dragon Bloodsword. How you doing, Swindle? Good to see you again, Dragon Bloodsword. That was my only goal, to put some pressure, time pressure. You did, and you know what? It's better to do that than lose on the clock and the board and never have a chance. I could have hung my queen. Did the arena start yet? No. I haven't even put the arena up yet. But if you guys want to do an arena, we'll do an arena. I'll put it up. We'll start it in like, we got to start it in a few minutes. We can't start it instantly, right? Because we got to give people time to join and stuff. But let's get settled. Jay Cook coming in with the 50 and the 50. Jay, thank you for the stars, dude. But I'll tell you, they had a pretty good night. The minute the first fight happened, I was like, Dana's happy. Like, oh, I was going to get you, troll. I was going to get you, troll. Because the whole night is not going to be a loss. You know what I mean? It's not going to be 7 boring fights. Once you have one great fight. Take your bishop, bro. Pre-moving is the maneuvering, guys. If you pre-move, you're going to be okay in life. Forcing traded queens, proving his pawn storm to be nothing but a thing. Getting in on the dark square. You like the dark square attack, guys? It's a good maneuver. Yeah. I think we take care. Now we're threatening a pawn. We're going to go ahead and take it now because we can. Okay, then we're going to come back and attack this pawn. Yeah. We're breaking in, guys. We're breaking in like Gunga Din. Forcing me. I didn't see that, but that's okay. Okay, just go, I guess. Oh! I didn't have time to get the king over, man. I didn't have time to get the king over, guys. Good game. Lustin, good game. Good game. Good game. Okay, I'm going to get troll now. Let's try right now not to send a bunch of rematches. Let me be sure everyone gets to play a game. And then we go from there. Here. It's important to play this move before that. Okay, we'll just take care. He's going to defend the pawn! This happens a lot, troll. Sorry, brother. Wait. I thought I was winning that. I thought I was winning that pawn. What line was that? What line was it? What line are we talking about here, guys? I'm supposed to win that pawn. It's a different line. Obviously. It's obviously a different line. Okay, threatening. Looks like we'll get our pawn back for sure. Okay. Oh, he hung his queen! I don't know what to do, guys. I got to move. Okay. And then. And then. And then. And then. Dude, you played a great game for a 900. That was a really good game. Okay, he dropped his queen. Dragon Bloodsword, where you been? What have you been up to, dude? What have you been up to, man? Justin, did the arena start? Yeah, no. You know what? Okay, I just played Troll, so I'm starting to get repeats. So let us go ahead and put an arena up. We'll go to our community. We'll go to clubs. The best community in the world, guys. The Chess Chillers with 1,185 people in the Chess Chillers. If you want to join the Chess Chillers, what you do is you go here. This is the Chess Chillers. You have to be in this club to play our weekly tournament. Definitely join it, guys. Join the club. It's free. It's like joining a group on Facebook or something. Clagan, I haven't played Clagan yet. Clagan, come on, let's go, Clagan. Play well. 1,600. 1,600. Just take. Okay, I think we go here. Here. In other words, knight f3. It has a move. It has a name, guys. Okay, just come back. Okay, just bring a rook. He wants on my hopper so bad, guys. He wants my hopper. Oh, I like the way he didn't just take. Oh, he can castle long. I didn't see it. If he's sniping in a 1-minute game, it's not going to bode well for him. Okay, what do we do, guys? We attack the dark squares. Hey! Right, just come back now. Okay. You gotta move. This knight, it feels good, but it's like, how does it get a life? Come on. Oh my god, he got a pawn. Oh my god, he's getting more stuff. He's getting moves. He's getting moves, guys. Attack his king. I don't know what to do. And he got me on time. Clagan, good game, dude. Good game. I was just moving a little slow there, guys. Okay, we're going to put the arena up. Okay, community, clubs, Chess Chillers, and then we go to new club tournament match / arena. Club arena name Chillers Arena number 2. We tried to do one a couple weeks ago. Well, the first one we did was well attended. The second one, though, a lot of people didn't want to play. Unrated. The sneeze was real, folks. What time do we make the thing at? We could make it at 1400. That will be in like 28 minutes. So the arena will start in 28 minutes. 1 minute time control, 30-minute arena, standard setup. Start date June 15th. That's today. And I think we're good. I think we're good to go, man. Create. And yeah, registration. Yeah, I can join. And then I'm going to give you guys the link to join the arena. Join arena. Guys, I'm a bad typer. I'm so not a typer. Copy. I'm so not a typist. I think it is the actual wording for that, right? Guys, join the arena. It's going to start in 28chess.com minutes. There we go. All right. Send it. Someone send me a 1-minute game we'll play. Well, hey, guys, we got to make coffee, right? I don't have liquid creamer. Rhodes with the coffee can. I don't have liquid creamer, guys. I have to use the powder stuff. I'd rather have liquid creamer, but I ran out. And if you keep the powder stuff in stock, you know, you buy the big powder, you'll see it. Then you never run out of creamer. You might run out of liquid creamer. Half and half, if you will. But you always get the backup, you know. While my coffee's being made, I'm going to play Troll. He gets a rematch, guys. He's rated 920. God, I want to do it so bad. Just do it. He's using his brain, guys. Just get that rook back. It costs us way too much time already. Okay, just bring the knight back. Get it protected. I'm moving slow because he's moving slow. You know what I'm saying? Where? Where with a threat? Okay, I'm going to do this because I feel like it's a maneuver. I don't know if it's a proper maneuver. I'm going to go here. I think I'm still up on time. I am. I'm not moving very fast, but I think it's okay. Check. Okay. Here. Bring a piece, man. Just bring a rook. Oh, I had that. I had to check, guys. Got him on time. Huh. Troll, you play pretty good for 920, bro. Good game. Svante, Franson, Forsberg, a lot of names. Svanson? Svante? Did I say that right? Svante? Or is it... I'm not sure how to say his name, guys. Toasted Cheese It, welcome back, dude. How you doing, man? Dude, I spent an hour and a half writing an email this morning because I don't write a lot of emails. Trying to get my press credential for the Danya Naroditsky Memorial in Charlotte. I would love, love, love to go cover that event for you guys. See some of the guys, see Hikaru again, see Eric again. I don't know if Hans is going to be there. See Hans again. You know, hang out with Yasser again. Stuff like that. Yeah, that's what we're looking. That's what we're looking for, folks. You know what's funny? I had that night check earlier and didn't see it. No, I didn't. I didn't have the night check. No, I didn't. Yeah, that was a good game. Let's grab that coffee, guys, before it gets cold. Guys, join the arena. Hey, we got one. Cleggan wants another one. I'm going to give it to him because that's what we're doing today. We're playing 1 minute unrated against... I didn't even see if this was unrated or not, but we're doing it anyway. Cleggan, get your board. You'll be here to watch it. Cool. Uh-oh. This could be bad. Yes, defend the knight? Dude, he had bishop takes. Bring pieces, I guess. Pin knights, I guess. It'll be fun, they said. Probably should have played f4. We can come... Just get out of dodge. Defend the amigo's pawn. And... take that, I guess, because it's free. Okay, just let him have it. Bring a rook, I guess. Takes. He could trade for 2 if he wants. But he's trading down. He's trading down. Now he can't. He lost his opportunity. He had my queen, guys. He can win on the clock, though. Got him at 0.2 seconds, guys. 0.2 seconds. Woo! That was close. Hey, man, can I play bullet with you? Ish, of course, just send it. It's a pinned comment. Ishang, send it, brother. I've already played Troll, but I might... Holy blunder. Well, yeah, it's 1 minute chess. It's 1 minute chess, man. 1 minute chess, especially when you're not a grand master, is riddled with blunders. Oh, here we go. We got him. 1600. Dude, this guy's good. Let's go. I think we're probably supposed to push. Yeah, we definitely push. I want to do this so bad, I'm just going to do it because... Oh. What, he sacked a knight? I sacked a knight right at the same time he sacked a knight. Okay. I think I can do this now, right? That's hanging, by the way. Okay, just takes. Comes. Check. Takes. Good game, dude. That was a good game. You played good, man. You played good. I give rematches after I am sure I haven't played somebody yet. Right now, we're at the point where we're still giving everyone a turn to play. When's the arena start? Arena starts in 15 minutes, guys. 15 chess.com minutes. Join the arena, guys. He's threading stuff, guys. Crazy pins, guys. Crazy pins. Multiple. Uh-oh. Good game. 665, man. He's 665. Dude, you played a great game. I felt pressure on the clock. I'm only 3 seconds up. I mean, I'm 1,000 points higher than you. Said rotation not allowed. Too few games played. Probably because you only have you have less than 5 bullet games played, Michael Allen. There's no way. Oh, well, at least there was a little board there. Sorry about that, guys. The you need to play a minimum of 5 games in bullet to be able to join. So just a tournament starts in 20 minutes. Just play 5 bullet games, or maybe you've played 2 or 3. You just got to get to where you have 5 bullet games. Yeah. Good game, dude. Are you in chat? Bag Yathrindu. You're in chat. Good game, brother. Yeah. You got that, Michael? Thank you for being a subscriber. Sage Ertman, thank you for being a subscriber and for telling me I was on the wrong scene. Okay, I'm only getting repeats right now. Guys, there's 3 people in the arena. We have enough people to have a great arena. It's going to be 1 minute. It's just 30 minutes, guys. Arenas are great, too, because you can come and go as you please. You can late join. You can play for the first 10 minutes and be like, I'm bored. I want to do something else. So you can leave. You could, keep going like a psycho and try and win the arena. You know, it's funny, like, that guy Bozo Chess, his name was Bozo Chess on Twitch, too. Can you change your name on Twitch? It's like, because if he got banned on chess.com, that doesn't mean that his Twitch is going to be banned. But because he got banned on and got caught for a fair play violation, and he won the tournament last week, you think he like wouldn't show up? Wouldn't show his face? You know, it's like, I mean, his account's closed, so he can't play in the tournaments anymore. But, hey, unfortunately, my headphones broke. Yeah, I remember this one. Love you, Maria, but no, I can't. Guys, is that a scam? I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Is this a scam? Twitch comment. I'm going to read it to you guys right now. Let me get started. Is this a scam? Like, what the person came on Twitch and said, hey, unfortunately, my headphones broke today because of my naughty cat, so I can't hear your voice. It would be great if you could respond through chat instead. The reason why it says probably not a scam by itself. It sounds like either real viewer headphones broke, wants chat replies, possible setup. They may ask next for you to click something to DM the join Discord, buy headphones. Okay. Safe move. Yeah, because I think I've seen that before, but they didn't say their cat broke their headphones. They said like they were deaf or something. Yeah. Yeah, no. Are they... Oh, it says possible ban evader. Oh, it's... Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't... I think we just ban again. Yeah. Oh, is it the guy who kept saying he wasn't cheating? Well, I forgot one of the guy's names. Tournament starts in 10 minutes. Community, let me see if I can... The guy that I banned from the club was the guy that didn't get fair played, but he's the one that said he wasn't cheating. He had his sister's boyfriend play for him, and I'm like, dude, that's called cheating. That's what that is. By definition, that's cheating. He thought it wasn't cheating because he didn't know anything about chess. Dude, it wasn't no, see, I don't even want to read a name. I'm not sure if it is because I don't want to, let me try this one here. This is 3 back. He was, and what he said was that he had his sister's boyfriend play for him. I can't see him. If he's banned from the club, it can't take him out of the results of a tournament. I just don't remember his name. I don't remember who the guy was. But that guy I banned from the club because he admitted to using having someone else play for him, which I don't believe anyway, right? He was using Stockfish, 1000%. He said, I wasn't cheating. I was having someone else play for me. It's like, that's cheating. That's exactly what cheating is. Let me look down this list again. So, if he ever gets banned, maybe I'll see him in some of the... I can't remember the guy's name. Can't remember his name. Nope. But Bozo Chess and Below Normal both got banned for fair play. They did. That's the one right there. They both. First and second place last week. What a freaking... I'm telling you, man. It's not really a waste of time. It's just like not cool. It's just not cool. Well, I guess I could look at my history. Right? I could look at my history to find him because I played him. He was the one... I went over the game from the tournament. It was... my craziest game I've ever played in my life. Because he was insanely low rated. He dropped a piece at the beginning. Remember that game? And then slowly, just very slowly came back. When you're playing against Stockfish and the bar just slowly goes up, it means you're playing great. You're not blundering. And you're just getting outplayed by Stockfish. Yeah. That guy. Okay, wait. See more butts. Let me see. Where's my tournament? Oh, looks like we had some 3-minute. Here we go. It was. No, it was this guy right here. Below Normal beat me and Bozo Chess both beat me and they both got banned for fair play, guys. What does that mean? This guy right here, Mr. Cooked TV, was the one that wait. Yeah. This guy drops a piece right here. Okay, now he's down a piece. And you should see the squiggler. The squiggler now it just dropped off from being equal to black is crushingly winning. And then from the gutter, it goes up and 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 up to where he's equal. And he's rated 400 on chess.com. That's one thing, guys. It's that Dunning-Kruger effect, right? People think they can spell chess because they try and remember CHESS, right? But they don't know anything about chess. And they don't understand that a 400 that's not how chess works. It's like winning the lottery. To do that as a 400 player, especially to play that perfectly consistent for 30 moves in a row, that's like winning the lottery like 3 times in a row or something. Yeah, it's more accurate than a DNA test. He didn't get banned though, so maybe he's okay. Yeah. He hasn't gotten banned. This guy has not gotten banned. Nope. But he admitted to cheating. Look at the squiggler, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, guys. It's absolutely the most amazing squiggler you've ever seen. If I didn't tell you the guy's rating, you would still be like, well, that's a little bit. I mean, well, but see, it was equal all the way to here, and then he drops a piece. And then he just slowly, because I'm not a grandmaster. I didn't make blunders. No blunders, guys. No blunders. I just didn't make the best move every move, or equal move every move. I played a couple inaccuracies, and he clawed it all the way back to be a draw. Yeah, and he's rated 400. He played way better than me in the middle game, in the end game, down a piece, mind you. That's a whole nother thing too. How good can you play down a piece? You know? Yeah. So did you get in, Michael Allen? Did you play your 5 bullet games? Let us see. Yeah. So Mr. Cook admitted to cheating, but he didn't get banned, and that's fine. But here's the thing. I said I have to ban you from the club, and he's like, no, don't. I said I have to. He played against people in the tournament while he was having someone else play for him. He says, whose girlfriend's brother is rated 2300? Not mine. There's no 2300 in my entire family. I have a huge family. It's not a unicorn. 2300 is not a unicorn, but most people aren't 2300. He just happens to have one sitting there. It just happens to be maybe. I don't know. Either way. 2,000 on lead chess. LOL. Just kidding. Mr. Z Knight. How you doing, man? Thanks for the Charly. Dude, thank you for the game. Thank you for the game, Baggy. That was a good game, man. Absolutely, dude. Yeah. 1 minute is too fast for everybody. I mean, I'm playing bad too. I'm just playing not as bad as you because I'm higher rated and I might have a lot more experience playing 1 minute chess. Rhodes just hit a 350-day streak. When you come in on your app, it will tell you your streak, right? Let me see. See, it's not even going to tell me a streak, bro. Ooh, 12. You're on a roll. Come back tomorrow to keep your streak going. 12-day streak. I went on chess.com yesterday. I don't remember going on chess.com yesterday. Guys, I went and hung out with Courtney for 2 nights, man. Because we had basketball finals, and then we had UFC. Bozo making it 2300 is unreal. How did he not get banned sooner? Dude, I'll tell you, man, it's got to be pretty tough, but I don't know. Let's look at his account and see, because maybe and a lot. I'll tell you one thing about a lot of these cheater accounts. When you look at them, they look weird, man. I think they do like ratings manipulation too. They'll be like, "Hey, I'm 2300. I'll dump some points to you so you can get higher now." Or they'll play lower rated players and lose to them. So that they think they're messing with the algorithm or something. Okay, Bozo Chess appears to have beaten me 6 times and lost once. Maybe one time he thought, I want to try and play Charly because I think I could take him. And it didn't work out for him. And he gave an excuse too. Do you guys remember it? I saw you on Chess super late, like 3 a.m. my time. On chess.com? Yeah, but it doesn't say when the account was created because the account's closed. All that information is gone. Last. Let's go to last. We're going all the way to his last known game. May 5th, 2025. May 5th, 2025, dude. And I think I remember checking his account, and I think that was it. That was his first day on chess.com. Oh, and he's rated 12. Well, his first day, he started out being rated 588. And on this first page of games, while his rating was getting established, he was 1248. So he may have, wow, 245 pages. Yeah, that's a lot. He may have some chess ability. Here he's 1500, right? Look at all the bands, man. Guys, don't cheat, man. It doesn't help, guys. It doesn't help you get better at chess. One funny thing I've heard people say is, I learn better when you don't learn better when you look at the computer while you play a game. I mean, that's like practicing. Is this a good analogy? I always have my analogies. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. That's like practicing without a net. Like on your first day. You're not going to learn anything. You're not going to learn anything. You gotta practice, like if you're gonna tightrope, you use a net. And then when you fall, you learn how you fell, and then you go up and do better next time, right? If you're playing a game of chess and you have the computer there, you're not learning, you're cheating. You're cheating. It's a much better way. It's just to play and lose, and then look at the game after. And if you use a computer to tell you what you could have done, you should have done, it will help you get better at chess. It will. It's not even the best way, but it will. I play better when I have steroids in my system, but I'm not cheating. Yeah, Buck. You're almost 1,500 rapid, Buck. Congratulations. I thought you were already 1,500. The best indicator. Yeah, seen the account. Yeah, that guy's account was over a year old. Bozo Chess, man. You know what? And then this guy below normal, he was the one with the new account. He was the one with the new account. Let's see. Oh my God, the arena. The arena started. Guys, get in the arena. How come no one told me? Oh, it starts in 28. No, it's going. How do I play a game? How come I'm not in a game? How come my name's down here? Why is how am I not in the arena, guys? You guys are playing in the arena. I want to play the arena. I showed up late. And there's people that don't have games right now. Does anyone know how to do arena? Cancel, I think, cancels the arena and ends it. But can I leave the arena and then rejoin? I can't. I don't think I can. I joined it, right? I should be able to late join. Well, that's no fun. I'm just going to watch you guys. Do you have a Sicilian or chess book? I don't have any books on the Sicilian. I used to have Beating the Sicilian by John Nunn. I did have a red book too. It might have been on the Dragon, or maybe it was just How to Play the Sicilian. So I have had books on the Sicilian in the past. There's so many videos. BJ, right? What do you want to know about the Sicilian? Just type it on YouTube and watch the video. whatever you want to know, there's probably 4 videos. You know what I'm saying? There's so much information. How come I... Where's the thing to... How do you... Why isn't it not giving me a... Is this the arena? Oh, no, no, yeah, that's the arena, all right. But how? Guys, I don't understand why it won't let me in the, share. Oh, maybe I'll do like this. I'll do like this. And then I will go to chat. I'll post it here. And then I'll click on it from there. No, it won't. Does anyone understand? We've played over 70 games played together. You have 11 wins. I have 57 and a few draws. Hello, chillers. Taper Mike, how you doing, brother? Good to connect with you on Facebook. Guys, I can't get in the arena, man. Don't understand how or why. Games. Games. Okay. Standings. But even if I didn't join it, there should be a join button. Oh, next game. Okay. Okay. Guys, get in the arena. A lot of you guys joined, but you're not playing. Click next game. Okay, so I was waiting for a game. Okay, I'm just waiting for a game for my arena. I get it now. You can't get to it either. Yeah, no, I didn't realize. I saw a cancel button at the bottom, but that's me waiting for a game. Dave Joyce with the 100 stars. Dave Joyce, thank you, man. How you doing today? Yeah, so, okay, I got a game. I got Clagan. Cool. Clagan, we're in. Oh, yeah. He's going to drop his queen this time, guys? He's not. Probably not an altogether bad move. I guess we should save our pawn. And come here. He wants to take my knight. And then come where? Oh my god, it's a 1-minute game and I'm choking. I'm getting something. He wants it so bad, but it doesn't work. Good game, dude. That was a crazy game, Clagan. Okay, I'm going to click next game in a second. I got to hit the thing. Guys, it's taking off now. The arena is taking off. Get in the arena, play a game. But I have to hit the thing. 1 second, 1 second. All right, thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Guys, we are playing the arena right now, so I'm not taking challenges, but that's okay. Thank you for sending them. I know it's in the pinned comment. He's attacking stuff. Lifting. Okay, I guess here then. Okay, coming back. Okay, shoving pawns. Okay, is there a weak square? It's just a bishop. Just go. Just go, man. Can he do stuff? He might be able to. He saw it, guys. He saw it. Let's move. Dude, I'm glad he didn't see that move. He got me on time, dude. Fast. Z-Goose. Z-Goose crushed me. Z-Goose actually, was he winning on the board too? He might have been. Yeah, he was up a piece. Good game, Z-Goose. Very strong. I got to catch. I got to start a streak. How am I going to beat the Ishgan guy if I can't even freaking can't get anything going here? Doing great, Dave Joyce. Cool, man. I had a great weekend, man. We started with some NBA Finals, which I'm a fair weather sporting fan. Meaning, I don't really like sports. I don't care too much about them. But like when Dallas or someone gets in the finals, in the Super Bowl, I'll definitely get involved. Okay, just come back. Oh my god. Did he bring the Amigos rooks? Shoving. I think we take this one because no reason. Guys, he's 665. He's playing a great game. Good game, dude. That was a good game. That was a good game. How does Arena work? Electro Falcons. I'm still following this guy. How do you unfollow somebody? It's a 30-minute arena. There's 17 and a half minutes left. You play 1 minute chess and get as many points as you can in the time allotted. But you can join late. It's fun. Get involved. Get involved. I'm in. Back to Clagan, guys. He did the same thing twice, guys. Why? Why would he do the same thing twice? Not the best move, but you know what? I think you can see what's going on here. Here, I guess? Try and open them up a little bit. Okay, I guess to this square then. Threatening stuff. I just got to defend the pawn, guys. No reason, just defending the pawn. Oh my god, he can move the knight. I didn't see it. Do I have a rook lift? I might. If he's watching for moves, that'd be a horrible in a bullet game. Right, okay. Here, I guess? I don't know where to go, guys. G6, forced. It wasn't forced, guys. Thought I hung my queen. Dude, I just had to beat him on time, guys. Clagan. Dude, 0.4. You almost beat me, Clagan. I was way up. Did I have bishop f6? Did I have... Bishop f6. And you know what I love about you? Mateo? You are probably an experienced chess player. Even if you're way better than me. You don't speak in absolutes. You say, like, how do you unfollow? How do you unfollow somebody, guys? Which one am I following? I think this guy, I'm following him. Stop spectating. Thank you. Okay. Next game. Because you didn't speak in absolutes, right? Like, my great example is Jan Nepomniachtchi and Magnus Carlsen. When they're done with the game, they say like, I think maybe knight f4 was better. I think you had d3. They say stuff like that. They don't say a3 is winning. You know what I'm saying? That's what some people they speak in absolutes like that, and it's not. That's not how people talk. That's not how good chess players talk. He said, "I think bishop f." Whoa. At the castle, man. No! So bad. Dude, Mr. Zenil, you guys are freaking beating up on me, bro. On the clock and on the board. Bro, can we play? Gabriel, join our arena. Join our arena, you could play me. Yeah, Mateo. Guys, learn from Mateo. Mateo is smart. Mateo said bishop f6, I think, was a winning move. Right? That's how Magnus Carlsen talks. Next game. I gotta do better. You guys are so rough. Aishin is on fire over here. Mr. Zenil is catching up with a 3-point streak. Clagan's doing better than me. I'm doing horrible. Yeah. Yeah, no, I love it, dude. I love it, Mateo. It's refreshing to hear someone talk like that. It is. I'll tell you, I was watching a friend of mine who is now a master. Kenneth Matthew Borders, how you doing, Kenneth? He's now a master. He was an expert at the time, 2180 probably, in the United States Chess Federation. And he played a master. And if you've ever seen a chess tournament at a hotel, the chess players kind of take over the whole place. It's like in the lobby, they'll set up a chessboard. You know what I mean? Well, there was no room to set up a chessboard on a table. So what they did was they set it up on the floor. And they were two grown men sitting on the floor watching, analyzing their game. And they were both a lot higher rated than me. And so I saw a move that they didn't see. Not saying I'm better than them or I'm a genius or anything, but I saw a move they didn't see. And because of this, I kept my big mouth shut. Because there's really a thing. What do you do? There's really a thing in chess. Like it sounds elitist, or I don't know if it's elitist is the word. But it doesn't hurt to know your place. And you say, really, know my place? That sounds like such a horrible thing to say. No. Know your place. Know your place. Don't, because if I say something that's incorrect, they're gonna almost laugh at me and be like, dude, stop talking. And then they're not gonna let me analyze with them anymore because I just keep saying dumb moves because they're masters, right? But if I keep my mouth shut and pay attention, then I can quite possibly have a chance to learn from the better players. Wow. I thought that was worse than it was. Dude, and he got me on time. So I see this move that they didn't see in a specific line they were looking at. And I didn't say anything. And then they broke up. They broke it up. They're like, all right, man, well, good game. Good game. And the master's walking away. The 2100, my friend is standing right there. I'm like 1700. I said, dude, what about knight g5? He goes, where? I go, right here, knight g5. He goes, wait, come back. And the guy came back. And then they analyzed that move. They didn't see it. You know what I mean? It was the best move. Or we assumed it was the best move after analyzing it. And so learning is good, but when you go to the chess club, it's better not to say, what about this move? That move. This is the best move. That's not how you learn. You can learn like that if the whole world stops to teach you chess. But the masters aren't going to stop to teach you chess. They want to look at their game. They want to learn themselves. You know what I'm saying? And so it's just a good idea to watch, listen, and learn. You know what I'm saying? In other words, yeah, know your place. Know your place. That's an interesting move. I guess we have to do this then. Okay, then I guess we have to go here then. Then we can go here. It's a dumb. Okay, take that. Okay, now he's on my queen. So if I take, he gets that with check. That was probably not best. Okay, and then we attack the queen. He has no diagonally. Okay, and then we come here. Oh, God. What's this guy rated? 652? Crushing me? Really? Crushing me, guys. I can't beat him, guys. I resign. A cute alien femboy plays way stronger than me and way faster than me. Like, he had 23 seconds. Very, very strong. You're a really good chess player, dude. That was amazing. Can I reveal my online rating? Yeah, if you want to, Mateo, sure. I'm interested. But I would say that Mateo, because you said that very high level, guess the ELO based on you saying that, you could be rated a 1,000. And you just maybe know that if you just spit moves out and they're wrong, then you look dumb and you wasted time. But you don't really look dumb. We understand that, which we make dialogue about. Saying moves is okay. That's how we talk. But I'll tell you something. If you're a low-rated player and you want to talk and chat about moves, say, did Knight G5 win a piece? I think maybe Bishop F3 or Bishop F6 was mating, kind of like Mateo did, right? Unless it's mate in 1. But even mate in 1, be careful. Could be a bishop that could move backwards. Chess is like math is the problem with it. You know what I'm saying? And so like being wrong, you don't want to be wrong in math. You either give the answer or you say, I don't know. Or that kind of thing. But you can do it however you want. I'm just saying. The big kids don't allow it. The masters aren't going to let you waste a bunch of their time. Just go, man. Yeah. Take that one. Oh, he takes with the queen. Interesting. Bringing pieces, folks. Aiming pieces, folks. Bringing pieces, folks. Okay. Here, I guess. That's probably an altogether good move. Come back, I guess. Bring the other rook. He wants my pawn, guys. He wants my pawn. I knew he wanted my pawn. I dropped my queen. Oh my god. This guy's too good. Oh, this is dude, I could have broke his streak. Good move. He's good, guys. He's a real chess player. He's a real chess player, folks. I'm gonna resign because I'm down on time and he's beat me on the board. Good game, Aishan. Good game, good game. You play on League Chess? Your bullet rating online is 2525. My rapid is 2280 and blitz is 2290. Yes, yes, yes. Even I mean, League Chess is what, 100 points lower than chess.com or something. Those are very strong ratings, Mateo. Yeah. And that's why. But you know this one, right, Mateo? Did you ever play Over the Board? Yeah, Aishan, thank you, dude. Good game, good game. Mateo, did you learn this from playing Over the Board, like maybe at a chess club? You know? Because if you just keep saying moves and guessing stuff and you're wrong every time, then the masters are going to pick up their board and go somewhere else to where they can talk without all the noise. That's just how it is. You know what I mean? If you're trying to be a good pool player and you go down to the pool hall, it's hard to hang around the pros. They all just kind of hang around with each other. You know what I mean? But if you want to get better, you kind of want to play with those guys, right? Well, how do you do that? Well, you kind of know your place. Kind of. It's why I always played all opens, because I always want to play the best players I could play. Yes, and you also have a FIDE rating. Can I say it? Yeah, Mateo, you can say your FIDE rating. It's so funny. It's so funny. I'm curious. I'm curious what your FIDE rating would be. Is it I think it's gonna be shockingly low, like 1900 or something, right? That is my guess, Mateo. I don't know why, because I see a lot of 1900s that are rated like 2200 on League Chess. What's it gonna be, guys? Mateo's bullet is 2525, his rapid is 2280, and his blitz is 2290, all on League Chess. Okay. So now he's going to give us his FIDE rating. Who's winning the arena? Guys, join the arena. I'm getting back into the game. I just want to see his Mateo's FIDE rating. Is he searching? Is he looking it up at the FIDE website just to be sure it's accurate? I'll have to read it in a second, man. I got to get in the game. I got to get in the game. I got to get in the game. We got to go. We got to go. Big Mike Live. The arena ended already? Okay, your FIDE ratings are 1740 classical, 1870 rapid, and 1864 blitz. Are you underrated on your classical? Because at my peak, Mateo, in the United States Chess Federation, I was 1994, I believe it was 1994. And that's known to be about 100 points higher than FIDE. So, like, if I were to go join a FIDE-rated tournament and they say, do you have a FIDE rating? I would say no. Do you have a national rating? I'd say yes, United States Chess Federation. Right now, my USCF is 1871. They'd say, okay, so your FIDE rating is about 1771, and they'd put me, that's where they would put it. They would use it as a reference. They'd drop 100 points off it. At least that's the way they used to do it. You know, it's been a minute. Yeah, you're doing great. Hope you're doing good too. Dave Joyce, all the community. Yeah, love the arena vibe. The arena is fun, man. The arena is fun. Dude, Aishan won the arena with 57 points. Aishan, dude, good job. Claygan got second place. Claygan's tough, guys. He's 1600. And then Mr. Zenile with the 36-point third place. Well played, everybody. Good games. No, because I do something like 3 to 4 classical tournaments a year. Yeah, 3 to 4 year. That's enough to stay pretty up to date. Now, Rakim says last tournament people got banned. Rakim, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the update on that right now. I'm gonna go to chess. I got to go to community clubs. How about a Hyperbullet Arena next? Ooh, dude, Hyperbullet. That's where you start with 10 seconds. Or is that a 30-second thing? I saw Hans. I went to St. Louis the day Hans tweeted his lawsuit. I was there, and I met Hans like a couple hours after he tweeted his lawsuit. And he was playing with some of the other grandmasters and also with Eric Rosen. And they were playing a version of chess where you start out with 10 seconds on your clock, and then you get 1 second for every move you make. But they're playing over the board, and you can't move near as fast. That we could totally do that. 10 seconds plus 1 is Ultra Bullet. Okay, yeah. 10 seconds plus 1 is Ultra Bullet. They were playing that, but they were playing it over the board. And Hans beat Eric, and Eric Rose is like, "Come on, one more." And Hans is like, "What? I should charge money for this? Like what?" He's all, okay, you know. I'll play you again. And then Hans beat him again. You know, I mean, I'm not saying that Eric could never beat Hans, but it's not just Grandmaster versus International Master. It's one of the top Grandmasters in the world versus an International Master that I think doesn't play a whole bunch of professional chess these days, right? Eric will go play some tournaments and stuff, but I don't think he's like actively... I mean... You guys know, someone like Eric Rosen, like when he stops playing professional chess, probably still spends a couple hours a day on chess. It's just like a part of his life. You know what I mean? It's like Magnus. He's probably gone downhill. He's gone downhill a lot. He got a wife. He got a baby. He had a really bad tournament. He just gave up a draw to an IM. He's not on top of his game, and he probably still spends, I have no idea, but I guarantee it's quite a few hours a day on chess. It's just his life. You know what I mean? But Hans probably spends, 8 to 10 hours or 12 hours or 14 hours every day on chess, whereas Eric's not doing that, Electro Falcon says, oh, I thought you could join the arena late and was playing in it, but I was playing a bunch of normal 1-minute matches. Really? Okay, Mateo's going to sleep because tomorrow you have the last exam of the 8th grade. You're young, Mateo. Dude, you have a good day, Mateo. You're young and you're strong. Yeah, dude. 8th grade. Was I 12 in 8th grade? Yeah, dude. Thank you, Mateo. Thanks for being here, man. Dude, see, Mateo is not only a strong chess player, but the way he spoke, he said, I think Bishop F6 was winning. He didn't say Bishop F6 is winning. He said, I think it's winning. And in addition to just knowing that based on, he's played tournaments and stuff, over the board tournaments. So he knows how to act in a chess club, and you don't talk like that in a chess club. But he's young. He's in 8th grade and he knows that. Good luck on your exams. I know you're going to kill it, dude. You're a smart guy and you're taking your work seriously. Charlie, let's play best of 5 bullet games. 2-1-3. Dude, I don't know if I want to do that, man. Because I'm supposed to, okay, wait, wait, one thing at a time. I always get sidetracked. I was supposed to be showing, it was, I guess bull and chess ain't my game. Where was that comment where they asked about the, I thought it was Buck, but I don't see the message. I think it was Buck. Where did Buck ask? Maybe did he delete it? In our last tournament, guys. Oh, that's the arena. Cool. In our last tournament Wednesday, there were the winners of first and second place both got banned for fair play. Bozo Chess and Below Normal. Is that not just insane, guys? Is that not just insane? Yeah. I kind of miss Bozo Chess in chat too. I like him. I liked him. Bozo Chess, just make a new account. Come on back. Can you make the 30 seconds arena if people can play it? I don't think I'm going to do that right now. I think it's totally fine for Magnus to lose because he's pretty old now and he doesn't have anything much achieved. He has won all his championships. Exactly right, Yisheng. But then he's going to have to ask himself, do I want to retire and keep my 2,800 rating? He's the highest rated person in the world right now still, right? And who's going to pass him? It's going to be hard for someone to pass him if he quits now. What's his FIDE right now? We'll go with the live rating. FIDE live ratings top players. Live chess ratings 2700chess.com. Magnus is 28-23, dude. Yeah. Yeah, he's lost 13 rating points recently. Or it says he's lost 17. He's lost 17. Fabiano and Hikaru tied at 27-92. Hikaru had a not so good candidates, right? Sindarov is 4th because he had a really good candidates. That is insane. Let's see where Hans is, guys. Let's see where Hans is. Everyone calm down. Hans the Moke Neiman, 27-29, rated 19th in the world. Where's our great world champion? Is he not in the top 20? Why can't I see his name? Where's Gukesh? Oh, it says view ad to continue. Yeah, I'm not viewing ad to continue. Let me see if I can see it from here. This is better. This is free. Okay, I'm trying to find Guquet. Oh, it's doing it again. It's doing it again! FIDE. We'll do it at FIDE. Okay, Magnus, Fabiano, Hikaru, Sindarov, Norderbeck, Keimer, Geary, Arjun, Wesley. I met Wesley. Faruja, never met Faruja. Hans Moknima says 12. Oh, top 100 players, June 2026. See, here's the thing you guys might not know. Well, it says June 2026, and we're in the middle of June, right? Hans Moke is 12th on this list. Anand, 13th. That's not from being active. It's from he kept his really strong rating and then he did start playing again. You think you got last place? That happens, dude. Daniel Abbott, how you doing, man? Okay, I'm going to start taking y'all's challenges again because I see one. 1 minute unrated to Osler. Osler gets the mark, folks. Very important move here, guys. You got to burn a little bit of time. You got to burn a little bit of time. And you have to, right? Okay. We go this way. No, it doesn't work. We go this way. Oh, wow. None of this works. This guy's crushing me. He's a good chess player, guys. This guy's a good chess player. Why won't I move? Got me on time. Use up a piece. Good game, dude. Osler, good game. I don't know how long you plan to stream, but I'm between chores. I might be able to challenge you if you want. Discord, I take all comers right now, so you just send me a challenge and I click on it. And everyone on the list right now, I've already played once. So if you challenge me, okay, Discord said I was the alien fanboy. Okay, I just rewatched your reaction. You peaked 1300 Blitz. Yeah, dude, good game, dude. That was... You peaked 1300 Blitz, but what was that bullet rating? What was the bullet rating? It was a good game. Played really fast. Magnus just couldn't play good in faster time scrambles. He couldn't switch the mood. Okay. Okay. What was the thing to type to see how long you've been a member? Supportage. Support age, one word, support age. Exclamation point, support age. Electro Falcon, I don't think I played him yet. I saw him in chat though. Electro Falcon, play well, my friend. Oh, this guy's playing quick, bro. He's one of those guys. He's one of those guys! I draw my pawn? Wow. That's no fun. Can I get it back? At what cost? Here come the rooks, folks. I trapped his queen. I didn't really trap it, guys, but... Everyone calm down. He resigned. Good game, dude. Good game, Electro Falcon. Yeah, does that command still work? That's exactly how to do it, Michael Allen. Does that command not work right now? Can someone else... Dave Joyce, could you do a supportage? Kenneth Matthew Borders is not supporting right now. Rhodes, Sage, any supporter on Facebook, can you do a Yeah, no, you did it right, dude. You did it right. Does followage work? Does followage work? Try followage. Because those are the Facebook commands. Yeah, 680. Right. Yeah, probably a little underrated in a bullet game. That was a good game. Thank you, Sage. So maybe the Facebook commands are not working or gone or something? That's no fun. Followage. I mean, how could that... I don't think they take it away. I think it's just not working right now. You did it right. You did it right, Michael Allen. Dude, I woke up the other day and saw some kind of thing that said there was a Facebook outage. This would have been... Today's Monday, right? Sunday night. It would have been Saturday, maybe? Or was that yesterday? Does anyone remember? Yeah, right. Does anyone know? Would you play some games with the winner of the arena? Well, not necessarily. That's not how I do it, man. We could do that sometime, though. We could do something like that. The winner of the arena, we play a 5-game match. But okay, we got one, guys. I haven't played this guy yet. Oi, play well, my friend. Oi, 3, 2, 1. Get to your board. There you go. Just go, man. Okay, and then... Like, how many times can you leave the pawn hanging before your opponent finally takes it? You know what I mean? It's not a lot of options there, guys. I just dropped my piece, man. That was a slip. He got me on time. Oi, good game, man. Good game. Dude, you guys... Dude, if this was rated, I would be losing so many rating points. I'd be getting crushed. That guy's at 600. Is that you, Almon? Yeah. Good game, dude. Dude, 600? You beat me on the clock and on the board. Wait, on the board? Maybe not. Trade. No, it's... Well, I'm down 2 pawns, and I do have a pretty weak king. And, that was probably a pretty good move. I probably should trade queens. You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you this, back here, when I played this move, I meant to come here. Right? Yeah. I meant to come to this square to make threats. But I slipped to here. It doesn't matter. I was losing on time anyway. Yeah. You're not good at bullet. Dude, you played good, man. That was a good game. You played good. What's your, what is your other rate? What are your other ratings? We played twice. You beat me both games. Okay, your rapid's 1500. Okay, so that explains it. That explains it. Makes a lot of sense. Because it's like, yeah. Good, very, because you played very good. That was a good game. You are Osler. Osler, thank you, man. Let's play one rapid. No, I can't. It takes too long. Guys, I got to get going. I got to get ready for a gaming stream later. If you guys like what you see, hit the like button and the follow button. Facebook, hit the follow button. Twitch, hit the follow button. And of course, we all know YouTube. You just hit the sub button because it's free, right? I'm gonna do the bonus game. I'm gonna do a bonus game on Twitch because there are no raids on YouTube and the Facebook raids are going away. So I'm gonna say, if you guys want to see the bonus game, Twitch, stay here and run over to Twitch and sub over there or follow me over there. And thank you guys so much. Great stream. I'll see you guys tonight at 8 p.m. for a gaming stream and tomorrow at 3 p.m. for Chess Tactics Tuesday. Okay, so goodbye, Facebook, not Facebook, YouTube. I love you.